In the previous section, we described common RIO platforms. By the end of this module, you will be able to configure a Windows FPGA system. Okay, so how do you configure your system? So before you install any of your devices, what you want to do is install the right software on your development computer. So the first thing you want to do is install LabVIEW. If you happen to be using a real-time controller, then install LabVIEW Real-Time. After that, install LabVIEW FPGA. And then lastly, install the NI-RIO driver or other target-specific software. After you're done installing everything, then go ahead and connect up your hardware. Once you've configured a Windows FPGA system, if you're using a R-Series board, for example, go ahead and open up the Measurement and Automation Explorer, otherwise known as MAX. And if you open it up, you should see your R-Series board show up under Devices and Interfaces, as you see on this slide. Now you can configure a Windows FPGA system. Next, we will select the host target network setup for a real-time FPGA system.